Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with a couple of the new products from the annual catalog. I am loving this catalog. This is the Wild and Sweet stamp set, the Bamboo Beauty stamp set, along with the brand new host only designer series paper, Design a Daydream. This does come 12 by 12, but of course I cut my paper down to 4 by 6. Whoops, look at that. Okay, so that goes there, this goes here. Okay, I was trying to flip through them to show you the designs. Okay, but just a quick flip through so that you can see all these beautiful designs. And there's only like 6 colors in this paper. I think it's about 6 colors. It's Blackberry Bliss, Daffodil Delight, Mint Macaron, Old Olive, Petal Pink, and Pool Party are the colors in this pack of paper. It is a gorgeous pack of paper. Okay, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. But before we do that, I want to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our paper pumpkin kit for June, which is the pick of the crop paper pumpkin kit. You have till June 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. This kit includes supplies to make 9 cards with coordinating envelopes, and you get 1 mini canvas shopping bag inside the kit. And on June 13th, you're going to get the opportunity to buy additional pack. I think it's a 4-pack of more of the canvas mini bags, okay? So again, June 10th is the last day to get this particular paper pumpkin kit, and there is a link in the description box below for you to sign up for my paper pumpkin kit. Next up, we have the May host code. This is May 2022. This is the host code that I would like for you to use whenever you're purchasing from me during the month of May. This code can always be found on my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com or on my Facebook page, Honeybee Stamping Hive, and it does change every month. So be sure to check those 2 sites to make sure you're using the most current host code. Now, if your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you will qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up. However, if you're going to be spending more than $99, I suggest you get our starter kit. The starter kit costs $99, and you get to choose $125 worth of product to put in your starter kit. So the starter kit is customizable. Now you pay tax on your starter kit, but no shipping. In addition to that $125 you get to choose, you're going to get a paper pumpkin kit and a business starter supply kit. And for the month of May only, you're going to be able to get a $66.50 value in colors pack. So what they're going to do is give you some in color products in your starter pack. Your starter kit. You get the 2022 to 2024 in colors, and it's going to come in grid paper, the 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock, the variety pack. You'll get all 5 ink pads, the classic Stampin' ink pads for the in colors, as well as the 6 by 6 in color designer series paper assortment pack. So if you are thinking about joining Stampin' Up and becoming a demonstrator, whether that's a hobby demonstrator, a business demonstrator, or just someone that wants to get the discount, I would appreciate it if you would join my team. Do not miss out on this fantastic offer. So yeah, that is it for the buzzworthy business. So let's get back to our project. So let me tell you what I have. I have the base of the card is soft suede. It's 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5.5. We're going to get our bone folder, crease that down. We have some scrap mossy metal for die cutting. It needs to be at least, I think, 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. I think, I'm not sure. Some basic white for die cutting. So this is the size, pretty much 3 something. Let me get a ruler so I can tell you. Okay, this is 2.5. And this one is 2 3/4. So it needs to be like 2 3/4 by 3.5 for the die cutting, I believe. So then we have some more basic white. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4 for the inside. And this is 3/4 by 4 of our designer series paper. This is 5 1/4 by 4. We have some old olive. This is 2.5 by 2 3/4. Some Blackberry Bliss, which is 4 by 1 inch. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get stamping and die cutting. Let's see. We're going to stamp on this and this. Oh, and this. So we're doing the stamping first. So what I'm going to do is stamp my sentiment in mossy meadow. And the sentiment I am using is, a true friend is the one who holds your hand and touches your heart. So that's going to be our sentiment, and we're going to do this in mossy meadow. Make sure I get that good and inked up. I'm going to try to do it right at the bottom in the center. I have a little glare, so I can't really see. Because I'm trying to stay in frame, so I did. Ooh, that did perfect. It's actually straight. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, so that's done. For this piece, we are going to need some scrap paper. So let me get me a sheet of my small grid paper. I haven't had to use scrap paper in a while. So because my image is going to go, it might go off of this paper. It might not, but just in case, I want to have my scrap paper ready. And we're going to ink this up in all one color, even the leaves, because I'm not sure. I don't think the leaves are even going to make it into the picture here of what I'm doing. I want to stamp this right in the middle of our paper, as middle as I can get it. I want to make sure I get a good impression. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so that one's done. I think that's all we needed this soft suede for. And then on this one, we're going to stamp some leaves. We're going to get some old olive. Let me see, how do I want this? I think I want them come in sort of from the top here. Maybe I should do one in each color, because they're two different leaves. They're about the same. I don't know which way I should do it, because I'm going to have the paper at the bottom here. Maybe like this. I don't like it coming from both sides. I think I'll do this one this way, like that. I like that. Okay. That's the stamping for the inside. And then we have some stamping to do on our designer series paper. And I'm going to stamp that in Old Olive. And we're going to be stamping the bamboo. So I'm going to ink this up. Ink it up all the way. This would probably be best used in the Stamparatus. However, oh, I'm trying to get, it's like a distinctive thing. I'm trying to get ink all on it, and the ink is on there, but it didn't look like it was. Okay, so what I'm going to do to this, I'm going to take a mossy meadow, and I'm just going to color over these little knots on the bamboo, so they'll be a darker color around the knots, right over the knot and above and below it. Okay, just to give some variation in color. I have not done this. And huff it, because I've been sitting it here for a while. I'm going to turn this way. I just want this right on the edge here. Right on the edge of our designer series paper. I don't know how this is going to come out, but this is what I envisioned in my head, and I like it. I like that. Okay. I think that is all of our stamping done. That is so cute. I like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and start gluing things together. So we're going to go ahead and glue our designer series paper to the inside piece. A little bit of that glue bubbled out. We're going to just set this right here at the bottom. Give it a second to set. Then we're going to go ahead and glue this. Look at that. This paper is so pretty. I knew this was one of the first things I bought. On the first order for the pre-order, I got this paper. I had to get it. I knew I was going to love it. So we're going to just put this right here on the base of our card. Oh, I got a little seepage there. Okay, so this should be dry enough to flip this over, and we're going to take our scissors here and just cut the end of this off to even it up. And we're going to glue this onto the inside. It's a little bit of glue. Too much right there in that corner. This would have been cute if I would have layered this with some mossy metal probably on the inside. That would have been nice. I didn't think about it. Okay, so next up, I shouldn't have put this down. Where's my... Should have put this on first just in case it wasn't cut exactly. Okay, it's fine. Let's see. We're going to put this just like this. Oh, I didn't realize it was going to be covering up that much of it. Okay. Well, that's okay. I'm going to put it about right there. So this is what I like to do because I don't want to forget how far down I want to put it. So we're just going to put some glue on this piece. We're going to lay this straight across here. Just like that. And then we're just going to add this piece on as well. And we're going to put this right in the middle here. Okay. And now we're going to get our mini boss, this mini stamp and cut emboss machine I call the baby boss. Where's my plates? And we're going to do some die cutting with the Fabulous Frames dies. I am loving this die set because we don't have oval dies, and I love ovals, so I have been using this a lot for this oval. So that's what we're going to be cutting out. I'm going to get an oval out of this. You know, do I want this popped up? I think I want to pop this up. So let me see. I'm going to get some of our, what are these called? It's the foam adhesive sheets. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that's what I want to do. It's just like a giant dimensional. So I'm going to put that on there. This is how I do it so I won't waste. And I'm haven't tried it with this die, so hoping, let's go ahead and cut this off so we'll know where to stop our die. Hoping that it can still get all the details. It should get way more details because it's thicker. Oh my goodness, come on, Shauna. Get yourself together here. We're just gonna die cut this just like normal. It's gonna be a little tighter because of the adhesive sheet in there, the foam adhesive sheet. So I'm gonna run it through a couple of times and make sure that it goes through. And we'll see how that it did. Oh, that's perfect. And we can save this because I need the frame. And I'm going to do that again. I don't know why I put this up because I need it on this as well. So I am going to peel off the backing. And what I'm doing, I need it to be in a certain spot on here. So I'm using my light so I can get that right where I need it to be. And we're going to use the same die to cut this out. Can you see where this is going? Let me get some of this trash out of the way. We're going to cut out our little koala here. There we go. And I should have ran that through more than once. Did it cut? Oh, it cut. Good. I was afraid I was... Ooh. You know, look at that. That would still be a good frame for something. That would still be a good frame. Put those together so I won't lose them. Put our die back on its sheet. Like I always tell you guys, put it back so you don't lose it. Go ahead and put our dies up. Okay, I'm gonna move all the rest of this stuff out of the way. Get this. So what I want to do is take our frame here. See, it's just like a big dimensional. And we're gonna set this on here. Try to get it straight in the middle. Yep, that's pretty good to me. And this, we're just going to insert it right where it goes inside, just like that. Have a little overhang there. I should have colored that, but isn't that cute? Okay, so for the final touches, I have the Brush Metallic Adhesive-Backed dots. I'm looking for my Take Your Pick tool. We're going to put a couple of these on here. I think this is so cute. Okay. Concentrate, Shauna. I think I'm going to put 2 here. Where should I put the third? I am not sure. I'll get a big one. Maybe here. Yeah, I like it there. That's it. That is our card. Oh, this is so cute. I should have put one of the bamboo because I didn't know I was going to be covering a lot of that up. I should have put one on this side. Maybe down at the bottom. Just partial. Just like it was the top of it coming up right here. But anyway, I like this. This is cute. Yep, I like it. Okay, this is our card for today. That's all I have for you. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.